Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Zoho CRM, create Google contacts and send Slack notification. So here I'm running my hotel chain business and I'm promoting my business on my Facebook page by running an ad campaign. So from my ad campaign, I'm going to receive a lot of lead, and as I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically by capturing the detail of that lead, I want to create a new lead in my CRM application, that is Zoho CRM. So after adding my lead in Zoho CRM, I want to create a new contact in Google Contact with that lead details. And after creating that contact, I want to send a notification message to my team on Slack. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads, Zoho CRM, Google Contacts and Slack. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I will add that lead in Zoho CRM, and after adding that lead, I will create a new contact in Google Contacts and I will send a notification message on Slack. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add Facebook leads to Zoho CRM, create Google Contacts and send Slack notification. So in today's fast-paced business environment, responding quickly to new leads is critical for maintaining a competitive edge. And suppose your marketing team runs Facebook ad campaign to generate leads for your business, and as soon as a new lead comes in, you need to ensure that your sales team is notified immediately and the lead details are stored securely and contact is added to your CRM for follow-up. So by integrating Facebook leads with Zoho CRM, Google Contacts and Slack using Pabbly Connect, you can automate this entire process, and whenever a new lead is captured through Facebook, first, that lead will automatically be added in Zoho CRM to allow your team to track the lead journey and manage follow-ups efficiently. Second, that lead detail will automatically be saved as a contact in Google Contacts for easy access and organization, and also a notification message is sent to your sales team via Slack, ensuring they are instantly aware of the new opportunity. So this integration not only saves time, reduces manual efforts, it also ensures that no lead falls through the cracks. In this video, I will show you how to set up this powerful automation, helping you streamline your lead management process and improve your response time. This will ultimately boost your chances of converting leads into customers. So here for setting up this automation, what is going to happen is that as you are going to receive a new lead for your business from Facebook lead ads, then automatically by using that lead detail, you will first add that lead detail in Zoho CRM for monitoring your lead journey and to have the follow-ups with your lead. Also, you're going to create a new contact in Google Contacts so that you will have all your leads easily accessible, and you want to send a notification message to your sales team so that they will get aware of the new opportunity that you have received as a lead from Facebook lead ads. So here we are going to build this connection between Facebook lead ads, Zoho CRM, Google Contacts and Slack, and we are going to connect these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and by using Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and here we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Zoho CRM, create Google Contact and send Slack notification. So this is my objective, and now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this and I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here in the workflow, we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what we need to do is we need to first set up our trigger step, and here for setting up our trigger, we need to first search for our trigger application. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Facebook lead ads here. Now I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new lead instant will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to click here on this connect button. I need to click on add new connection. And now I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I need to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two tabs of page and lead gen form. So here what I need to do is I need to select the page where I'm running my ad campaign, and I need to select the lead generation form from which I want to receive my leads. So for this, I need to first take you to my Facebook page. And here this is my Facebook page which is named as Luxury Stays. So this is my Facebook page that I'm using and I'm running my ad campaign on. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the page, you need to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that you have in your Facebook account. And you can select any particular page that you want to use. So I'm going to use this Luxury Stays page. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to select my lead generation form. So by opening up this tab, you will find all the lead generation form that you have in your Facebook page or for your ad campaign that you have created. So if you want to use any particular lead generation form, you can use that. But I want to receive all the leads that I'm going to receive from any of the lead form that I have in my Facebook page. So I'm going to use all lead generation form here. And now I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking a save and send test to quit button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test to quit button. And here we can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to first create a sample submission by using Meta for Developer. And by creating that sample submission of my lead, I'm going to receive the response of the lead here in Pabbly Connect. So if you have a live lead generation form, then as you are going to receive a new lead or a lead is going to fill that form, then automatically you will get that lead detail here in response of Pabbly Connect. But I don't have any live ad campaign running on my Facebook page. So I'm going to use Meta for Developer for creating a sample submission. So I'm going to take you to Meta for Developer. And here in Meta for Developer, I need to go to More. And here in More, I have this option of Tools. So I'm going to open this. And in Tools, I need to use this particular tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to select this. And now here I have these two tabs of page and the form. So I need to first select the page that I want to use. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have this page of Luxury Stays. So I'm going to select this. And now my form is already selected, that is our marketing form. Now what I need to do is I need to click on preview form button, and after clicking here I will see my form and I need to fill that form with dummy details to create a sample submission. So I'm going to click here. And here this is my lead gen form for Luxury Stays. Now here I have all these details like first name, last name, email, phone number, and I need to select my city. So here what I need to do is I need to fill all these details. So I'm going to first select my city. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to select these selected cities that my hotels are in. So I'm going to select the city of Goa. And now I have to fill all these details of my lead. So here I have to give a first name. So first name will be John. Last name will be Karis. Email will be johnkaris@pabblytudes.com. And I'm going to give a random phone number of my lead. Now here I have filled all the required detail of my lead. And now what I need to do is I need to click on continue. And I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted this form. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all these details of my lead, and here I have the city that my lead has selected, that is Goa. I have the first name of my lead, that is John. I have the last name, that is Karus. Email is johnkarus@pabblytudes.com, and I have this random phone number of my lead. Now, as I have received all these details of my lead, now what I need to do is, by using all these details of my lead, I need to first create a new lead in my CRM application, that is Zoho CRM. And after creating that lead in Zoho CRM, I need to create a new contact in Google Contacts, and I need to send a notification message to my sales team on Slack. So here first, by using all these lead detail, I'm going to create a new lead, or I'm going to insert a record in Zoho CRM. And for that, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to first set up my first actions tab. And here my first action application is going to be Zoho CRM. So I'm going to search for that. And I need to select Zoho CRM here. Now I need to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and insert/update record will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and here I need to connect Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to click on connect with Zoho CRM, and here I need to first give a domain. So here I have all these domain, and to know which domain belongs to my Zoho account, I need to go to my Zoho CRM application. Now here in my Zoho CRM application, I need to get my domain. So I'm going to find my domain in my path URL. So in my path URL, I have this domain of zoho.in. So I'm going to fill that in Pabbly Connect. And now in this tab of domain, I'm going to type zoho.in. So this is my domain, and now I need to click on save. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I need to click on accept. And here I have successfully connected Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is, I need to first select my module name, and for selecting the module, I need to open this tab. And here I need to insert a record of lead, and I need to create a new lead in my Zoho CRM application. So I'm going to select my module as leads. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my module. Now here I have all these tabs, and here I can add all the detail of my lead and all the detail that I want to add in my Zoho CRM application for my lead. So here what I want to do is, I need to add the detail that I have received from Facebook lead ad response, and I'm going to use all the response of that lead. So I have received the first name, last name, email, and the phone number of my lead. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use that response of Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to map that here in this tab. So here for mapping my response from Facebook lead ads, I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the first name of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I have to map the last name, so I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the last name of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the email, so I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads, and this is the email address, so I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to give a phone number. Now here I have mapped all these details, but I have all these other tabs here too. So if you want to fill all these details, and if you are receiving these details from your Facebook lead ad response, so you can map these details here too. And if you want to fill these details manually, you can do that too. Now here I have all these other details like lead source, lead status, industry, and if you want to give these details, you can fill that too here. These are the custom fields, so you can fill these details. Now I need to scroll down, and now I have mapped all the required details. Now as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is, as I'm going to receive a new response of a lead from Facebook lead ads for my business of luxury stays, then automatically all the lead details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now I need to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Kit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have successfully created a new lead, or I have inserted the record of the lead in my Zoho CRM application. So to check this, let me take you to Zoho CRM. And here in Zoho CRM, I need to go to leads. And here in leads, we can see I have just created this new lead that is named as John Karus. I have the email that is johnkarus@pabblytudes.com. I have this random phone number of my lead. And here we can see I have added all the detail of the lead that I have received from my Facebook lead ads response. So here I have successfully created this new lead in Zoho CRM with the details of the lead that I have received from Facebook lead ads. So as I have created this lead, I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and now by using all the detail of my lead, I need to create a new contact in Google Contacts. So for that, I'm going to add one more Actions tab, and here my action application is going to be Google Contacts. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Google Contacts here. Now I need to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and create contact will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Google Contacts with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and I need to sign in with Google, so I'm going to click here. Now here I need to click on Allow to give access to my account. And I have successfully connected Google Contacts with Pabbly Connect. Now here for creating the contact, I need to fill all these detail here, and I'm going to use the detail of my lead from Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to map those responses here too. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the last name. Similarly, I'm going to give the email. So this is a home email. So I'm going to map that here. Now also I'm going to give the phone number, and here I have mapped all the required detail of my lead. And by using these lead detail, I want to create a new contact in Google Contacts. So for that, I need to scroll down. And here I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And now we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new contact with all these detail of my lead that I have received from Facebook lead ads. So to check this, let me take you to Google Contacts. And here in Google Contacts, we can see I have created this new contact that is named as John Karras. Email is johnkarras@pabblytudes.com, and I have this random phone number of my contact. So here we can see I have successfully created a new contact with all the detail of my lead that I have received from Facebook lead ads. Now as I have created a new contact in Google Contacts, I want to send a notification message on Slack to my sales team. So for this, let me again take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to add one more Actions tab. And here my last action application is going to be Slack. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Slack here. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send channel message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Slack with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and I need to connect with Slack. So I'm going to click here. And for connecting Slack with Pabbly Connect, I need to select my token type. And here my token type is either gonna be user or bot. So here I'm going to select my token type as user, and I need to click on Save. Now I need to scroll down, and here I need to click on Allow to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Slack with Pabbly Connect. Now here first I need to select my channel where I want to send my message. So here I'm going to select the channel where I have my sales team. So for selecting the channel, I need to first take you to Slack. And here in Slack, I can see I have this channel that is named as New Lead Alerts. And in this channel, I want to send message like this for all the new leads that I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads to my sales team. So here this is going to be my channel where I want to send my notification message. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting my channel, I need to open this tab. And here I will find all the channels that I have in my Slack account. And in this, I'm going to search for my channel that is New Lead Alert. So here this is my channel of New Lead Alerts. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to give the message that I want to send as a notification message for my team for a new lead alert. So I'm going to type my message here, and my message will be, "Hello team, we have received a new lead for our hotel inn, and after this inn, I'm going to map the city that my lead has selected in my lead ad form, and here are the details." So also in this message, I'm going to add my lead detail like the name of my lead, email, and the phone number. Also here my message ends with, "Please connect with this lead as soon as possible." Now here I'm going to map the detail of my lead that I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads. So after in, I need to map the name of the city that my lead has selected. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads. And here this is the city that my lead has selected. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map my lead name. So I'm going to give a space here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads. And here this is the first name of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now I'm going to map the email, so I'm going to click here, I will give a space, I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads. And here this is the email address, so I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to map the phone number. Now here I have mapped all the required details in my message, and all these details are going to get replaced with the new lead that I'm going to receive from Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to send that lead detail in my message in real time. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Cookies button. And here we can see I have received this message, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a notification message automatically on my Slack channel, and I have shared that message with my sales team. So to check this, let me open my channel, and here this is my Slack channel, which is named as New Lead Alerts. And here we can see I have received this message, that is, hello team, we have received a new lead for our hotel in Goa. And here are the details, like the name of my lead is John Karras, email is johnkarras@pabblytudes.com, and I have received this phone number of my lead. So here we can see in this message, I have added all the detail of my lead that I have received from my Facebook lead ads, and I have sent this notification message automatically on Slack, and I have shared this with my sales team. So here we can see I have successfully created this automation between Facebook lead ads, Zoho CRM, Google Contacts, and Slack. And now by creating this automation, as I'm going to receive a new lead for my business from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to add that lead in my Zoho CRM application. And by using that lead detail, I'm going to create a new contact in Google Contacts. And as I'm going to receive that lead, then automatically I'm going to send an alert message or a notification message on my Slack channel, and I'm going to share that message with my sales team. So to check this again in real time, what I need to do is I need to go back to Metaphor Developer. I'm going to close this and I'm going to create a new lead. So first I'm going to delete this lead. Now I need to click on Preview Form button. And here again I'm going to fill this form. So I'm going to select my city. So I'm going to open this tab. I'm going to select city as Indore. Now I'm going to give a first name. So my first name here will be Michael. Last name will be Elvis. Email will be michaelalvis@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to give a random phone number of my lead. So here I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on continue. I will click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted this form. So I have created a new lead in my Facebook lead ads account. And as I've created this new lead, what should happen is that automatically this lead detail should be added in my Zoho CRM account as a new lead. A new contact should be created with this lead detail in Google Contacts, and a notification message should be sent on Slack with all the lead details. So to check this, let me first take you to Zoho CRM. Here I'm on this page of leads, so I'm going to refresh this page. And here on leads, we can see I've created this new lead that is named as Michael Elvis. Email is michaelalvis@pabblytudes.com, and I have this random phone number of my lead. So here these are all the details of my lead that I have added in my form in Facebook lead ads, and automatically by using those lead details, I have created a new lead in Zoho CRM. Now I'm going to go to Google Contacts. I'm going to refresh this page of contacts. And here in this page, we can see I have created this new contact that is named as Michael Elvis. Email is michaelalvis@pabblytudes.com, and I have this random phone number of my lead. Now in Google Contacts, I have created a new contact with my lead details, and now I need to go to Slack to check whether I have sent a notification message or not. So I'm going to go to Slack, and here in Slack we can see I have received this new message that says, hello team, we have received a new lead for our hotel in Indore. So this was the city that my lead has selected, and here are the details. So the name is Michael Elvis, email is michaelalvis@pabblytudes.com, and this is the random phone number. Also my message ends with, please connect with this lead as soon as possible. So here we can see automatically by using all the detail of my lead, I have sent a notification message on Slack, I have created a new lead, or I have inserted the record of that lead in Zoho CRM, and I have created a new contact in Google Contacts. So here my automation between Facebook lead ads, Zoho CRM, Google Contacts, and Slack is working successfully, and I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection between Facebook lead ads, Zoho CRM, Google Contacts, and Slack to automatically add Facebook leads to Zoho CRM, create Google Contacts, and send notification message. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action steps, and first I have used my action application as Zoho CRM, and my action event was insert/update record. Then I have used Google Contact as my action application, and here my action event was create contact. And in the last I have used Slack as my action application, and my action event was send channel message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.